Okay, so this is Algebra Post-Assessment Answers and Explanations Part 2 for questions 20 to 27. Again, you can forward the video to watch the parts you don't quite understand. Okay, the parts that you got wrong, forward it and listen to the explanation. Okay, as I said before, it's very important for you to know this because this is the foundation for measurement, geometry, and linear algebra. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so this one says use the formula from math and other subjects. Okay, solve the equation, solve for x, show detailed working out. This is where some of you got lots of marks removed because you showed shortcut again. And a lot of you did not do the CBS. Okay, now one thing about the CBS, some of you did the CBS and the CBS was wrong. I mean, the left side did not equal the right side. That is already your clue to go back and look at your calculations. What's the point of doing check by substitution if you don't go back to see if you made a mistake if the CBS was not equal? Okay? That's the point of CBS. So let's do the first one. Again, don't shortcut. Okay? Minus 24 minus 24. Show me step by step. So x is equal to 3x minus 32. Now, some of you divided by 3. Why? Why did you do that? Okay? Just because there is an x on both sides of the equation does not mean that, it's something so hard to do. No, all you need to do is to transfer this to the other side. Okay? So that cancels and now you have negative 2x equals, okay? Negative 2x equals negative 32. Now you can divide. Remember, add or subtract everything that you can add or subtract first before multiplying or dividing. Okay? So now, divided by negative 2 divided by negative 2, x is equal to positive 16. Why? Because negative divided by negative is positive. Okay? So now, let's do the CBS. So copy the original. X plus 24 equals 3x minus 8. And what is x? X is 16 plus 24, okay, equals 3 times 16 minus 8. 16 plus 24 is 40, equals 48 minus 8. 40 is equal to 40. So left side equal to right side. That means this is correct. Okay? Now, let's look at this one. A lot of you did this. You multiplied by 5, okay? So you remove the 5. Very good. Then you ended up with this. Okay? What is 15 times 5 is 75. Okay? And then minus 17 minus 17. X is equal to 58. Looks correct. Let's see. Check by substitution. X over 5 plus 17 equals 15. What is x? 58 over 5 plus 17 equals 15. 58 over 5. Let's see. 58 divided by 5. 1, 5, 0. Bring down the 8. 1, 5, 3. Bring down another 0. 6. 11.6 plus 17 equals 15. 28.6 equals 15. So, a lot of you did this. The left side was not equal to the right side. But you did not go back to check your equation, your calculations. That is the point of check by substitution. So if you see this is not equal, that means this is wrong. So you have to go back and check your calculations. If you just leave it like that, then it's useless. Why did you bother to do check by substitution? If the left side is not equal to the right side, that already tells you it's wrong. This is wrong. Okay? So let's go back to what you did. Remember before I told you, add or subtract first before multiplying or dividing. Okay? So let's do x plus 5 plus 17 equals 15. Okay? Move out the 17 first. Okay? Add or subtract first. So this cancels. This becomes x over 5 equals negative 2. Now you can multiply. Multiply both sides by 5 and you get x is equal to negative 10. Now let's check by substitution. X over 5 plus 17 equals 15. What is x? Negative 10. Negative 10 over 5 plus 17 equals 15. Negative 10 divided by positive 5 is negative 2. Negative divided by positive is a negative. Plus 17 equals 15. 15 equals 15. See? If the left hand is equal to the right hand side, then that means this is correct. Okay? Now, what happened here? Okay? Let me show you what happened here. Let me move this and make this smaller. Okay? What happened here? When you, okay, multiply by 5 to get rid of that, you need to multiply every term. Okay? Just because this you're trying to get rid of the denominator doesn't mean that you do not multiply everything else. So this cancels. So now x plus 85 is equal to what? 75. Okay? Now, minus 85 minus 85, x is equal to negative 10. See? You got the same answer. So you can multiply, but it leads to mistakes. So add and subtract everything first before multiplying and dividing. Okay? So let's do number 21. This one you need to expand. So this becomes 16x. Again, positive times negative, negative 24 equals negative 4 times x, negative 4x. Negative 4 times negative 4 gives you positive, okay? Again, no shortcut. Plus 4x. So this is 20x minus 24 equals 16. Plus 24 plus 24. 20x equals 40 divided by 20 divided by 20. X is equal to 2. So let's check by substitution. Okay, so you have x, 2x minus 3. Go back to the original, minus 4, x minus 4. So 8, 2 times 2 minus 3 equals minus 4, 2 minus 4. So this is 8, 4 minus 3 equals minus 4, minus 2. 8 times 1 is equal to 8. Negative times negative is positive. 8 times 1 is 8 equals 8. So since the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, that means your answer is correct. Okay? Now the last one looks hard because there's a mixture of variables and numbers, but really it isn't. Just keep on using the basic, what you do, the basic transposing skills, okay? So let's look at this. It says 3zx x plus 4y over 5 equals h. Okay, let me just move it a little over here. So multiply, okay, get rid of the denominator, times 5 times 5. So this becomes 3zx plus 4y equals 5h. Get rid of this because x is here. It says make x. Make x. Okay, the subject. You want x by itself on the other side. So let's get rid of this. 4y minus 4y. Okay, so that is 3zx equals 5h minus 4y. Now, this is multiplication. So we want to divide out 3z so that x remains. Divided by 3z. Cancel. X is equal to 5h minus 4y over 3z. That's it. That's the answer. So don't be afraid when there are, wow, too many variables. There's not numbers that I can multiply or divide. So what? Okay? Then if you just can't multiply or divide them, just leave them as variables. Now, is this correct? We need to check by substitution. Okay? CBS. So, what is the original equation? It's 3zx plus 4y over 5 equals h. Okay? So, let's see. What is the value of x? So, that's 3z, okay, 5h minus 4y over 3z, okay, 5h over 3z, 3 or so plus 4y over 5 equals h. Okay? So, we can cancel this now because 3z is multiplied by this fraction. So we can cancel that. Okay? No need to do it with this one because this is a pair. Remember, we just substituted x. So now you have 5h minus 4y plus 4y over 5 equals h. So now let's put like terms together. Minus 4y plus 4y is 0. See? Minus 4y plus 4y. Negative 4, positive 4 is 0. 0y. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So that cancels out. So you're left with 5h over 5 equals h. And since you have 5 in the numerator and denominator and it's multiplication, I can cancel that. So you have h equals h. Left hand equals right hand. So that means this is correct. Okay?